Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. So today's topic is OSI model in networking. Okay, so OSI model की कुछ layers होती हैं. Let us see those layers. The session layer, we are having session layer, presentation layer, application layer, transportation layer, network layer, and data link layer and physical layer. So in this video we are going to discuss above two layers, session layer and presentation layer. So let's start with the presentation layer. So presentation layer, as you can see, we are having a 5 MB file. So what we have to do, we have to send this file to a friend. Okay, so how presentation layer help you to send this file to a friend? Okay, let us see. So it will translate your data into bits. So what it will do, it will translate your ABCD into the bits format. So it is like compressed. So it is of less MB, so you can easily send your friend. Like if you are having a 5 MB photo and if you are having a 1 MB photo, which photo will send first? That will 1 MB photo because it will consume less data, and 5 MB will consume more data and more time. So what we are doing here in presentation layer, we are compressing the data so that it can be sent easily also to the user and no information should be misplaced. Okay, so help in compression by reducing its bits. Okay, so again what it does is help to reduce by bits. So we were having a 5 MB file which we have to send our friends. Now it become a 2 MB file after the presentation layer. So now encryption and decryption of data happens at here. So when sender something to the user receiver, so it is through the SSL is used for encryption, secure socket layer. So whenever you hit any URL, you see like there is HTTPS. S means secure. Secure means like what is difference between HTTP and HTTPS? I will tell you also. HTTP is like when you are filling some data, so like you are login data or anything or a password or a bank details. So what a hacker can do, hacker can easily like get that data into his laptop or like any way of mean. So what secure socket layer is doing, secure socket layer is doing, whenever you are entering the data, it is encrypting at the same time, and when it is going to the receiver, it get decrypted. So what HTTP is doing, it is not encrypting the data, your data is directly, anyone can attack in between of that. Like it's suppose like you are a person A and person B sitting near to you, so you are sending a data from some pigeon or something like as, and in between someone like attacked on that and get your data. Okay, so it is like that. So now our data is encrypted, and now then when it's received to the receiver, it get decrypted. Okay, there's a particular key in which they decrypt this data. Okay, so now let's come to the session layer. It helps maintaining connection, sending and receiving of data, authentication, authorization and session management. Authentication is something like who you are. Like okay, authorization is what you can do. Okay, session management is session management simply. So first I will tell you, it helps maintaining connection, sending and receiving of data. First you have to establish connection with server. Okay, so you have to establish connection with server. Then authentication and authorization come into the role. Authentication is for establishing connection, you have to authenticate by username and password as you do on each and every site. Authorization is, it is the process to check that you have permission to access that file or not. Okay, it's like that your teacher is having something access of different portal and you are having access of different portal, because they are having a more access. The authorization is dependent on authorization, like which kind of people have which kind of access. Now it's first you have to establish connection with server, authentication, authorization is done. Okay, thank you.